The High Court has now permitted the municipality to give construction licenses to single dwelling units. That means an individual house. It is being constructed by an individual. That permission the court has permitted to be granted by the municipality. Further, insofar as renewals of all the construction license are concerned, that has been permitted by the High Court. As far as new permissions or new licenses for new multi-dwelling units or multi-storage building is concerned, so far High Court has not permitted.
मजगती एसजीपीडीए मार्केटातले पेड्ड्यार उदक उक्त्या सुवातेर वा लागच्या शेतात पांथ वाठारात सोडटा म्हूण हायकोर्टात जनहीत याचिका पावल्या. कोर्टान एसजीपीडीए सदस्य सचिवाक फुडले सुनावणेक हजर रावपाची ऑर्डर काडल्या.
The High Court has taken note of it. Notice has been issued to the South Goa Planning and Development Authority. So also notice has been issued to the Association of the Wholesale Vendors at SGPDA. The matter is kept now on 13th of October. In the meanwhile, the Pollution Control Board is supposed to give directions to SGPDA as far as this pollution that is being caused at this place of the fishing market at SGPDA.
होलसेल फिश वेंडर संघटना चडशे फावट सोंपो दिना म्हूण सुमार 1 कोटी रुपयांची थकबाकी उरल्या म्हूण एमएमसीन रिपोर्ट दिल्या उपरांत हायकोर्टान संघटनेक नोटीस काडल्या. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.